3D printing is a part of the natural drawing, working on paper. It's a part of the sculptural process of designing objects. Today I am totally fused with it. I need that tool to work as a designer. My name is Joel and I am the head of the design department at Krook Tjäder. Krook Tjäder is the 4th biggest architect office in Sweden. The main business is to do architecture, landscaping, interior architecture, city planning, also engineering. Right now I'm working on a sofa module for Stockholm's new bus stop. The name of the project is Day and Night. Right now, this mock-up is made from 3D printed material. This is actually Ad North's Textura material. The line and the shape of the design, you pretty much have it in the computer world or by drawing it by hand. But the scale of it, that is when 3D printing is really good, to really like it. It's often like this, you print something out and you immediately see that this is too small or it's too big to fulfill its purpose. By using 3D printing, we can investigate different variations and measurements of sitting by just printing more tests. This is the armrest for the bench version of this seating module, and this is the sofa version for the back-supported version. In the old days, you made these things of cardboard, but today you use 3D printing instead. This is a lamp pendant. It's produced like this today by Belysning in Småland. To be able to change the light source on this lamp, you need to remove it. So I basically invented a method of doing this by using 3D printing. So this works like this. You let it slide out from the lampshade fixture, and the fixture collapses like this because it's made of soft material. By using 3D printing in soft material, this is a TPU, I've been able to develop it to this shape. So from this to this. It's such a good example of why 3D printing is so good. The cost of these models are almost nothing compared to making them in the old-fashioned way when you need casting molds. And it's an example that tells us how the future will be, that we can do this with so simple machines.